Hello everyone, this is part 3 in making a Flappy Bird game in Scratch. So if you haven't seen part 1 and part 2 yet, make sure to check it out. Link is in the description below. So far I showed you how to code a flapping and falling bird, and our moving pipes, and our moving background, and a game over. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make a retry button, menu button, and a menu. So let's get started. So let's paint a new sprite. So minimize the size. So let's just make it more bigger. Now let's type as retry. Retry. Select choose black. So we paint our retry button. So now let's go for our coding. So go for events. So when I receive game over, need to go to X, like see. Go to X6 and Y -52. Then we need to go to our front layer. Go to front layer. So it should come here. And we need to show and when green flag click, we need to hide. So not can be displayed. We hide. So we need to wait 0.1 seconds and grab a forever loop and an if then statement. If touching mouse pointer, we need to set our brightness effect to -10. And go for controls and grab another if statement and put this here. So if our mouse is down, we need to broadcast a new message. We say a new message, we say play. So so now we need to start sound pop, and we need to stop the script. Stop. the script. So else we need to set our brightness effect to 0. So now go for your pipes. So when green flag clicked, we need to broadcast play. So okay, when I receive play, only we do these things. So go for your Flappy bird and remove when green flag click. When I receive play, and go for your background. When I received events, when I receive play, we'll go for your retry button, and when I receive play, we need to hide. Go for game over, and when I receive, let's say play, we need to hide. We need to stop this script and go for pipes. So we go control. So when I receive game over, we need to stop other scripts in this pipe. Go for sprite 2. So when I receive game over, we need to stop let's check whether it works. So okay, our retry button worked. So okay, that's it for today's video. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to code the menu button and add some sounds and a menu. So make sure to like, subscribe and share.